Hey friends, if you wish to fix live kernel event errors on Windows computers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is an SFC scan. How would you perform this? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open Run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a malware scan. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Okay, it will need a few seconds to open. Once it does, click on next, select full scan and click on next. The next solution is to update drivers and I'll guide you through the right method to do that. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates. If you find any optional updates, then please install them. And the last solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for Windows Memory Diagnostic and go to this tool. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.